How about some train spotting at London King's Cross? Oh yes, let's have a look and see what trains we've got in here today. We've got about 45 minutes till our train leaves from St Pancras, so let's have a look and see what we got. Welcome aboard passengers, MegaSim. We're at platform 0 at London King's Cross because I've got 45 minutes to spare before we get our train back up to Derby. And I thought, why not do a bit of train spotting in King's Cross? The barriers were open and I thought, I'm going to make the most of this. And that's why we're here. So I'm going to have some footage of different trains coming in and out, doing what I can here. I believe I just took one of the Lumo, so that will be coming up in a sec. When I saw the Lumo come in, I went, this is going to be a train spotting video. Oh, did you see that? The whole train's, the nose closed. So there's the Paragon, and here's an Azuma. I went on the 225 that's just come in, as you saw, and I ran to the buffet car and said, oh, is the buffet car open? I want to buy some LNER beer. And the guy on there said, oh, how long have you got? And I said, oh, 45 minutes, I'm going from St Pancras. And he went, don't worry, just wait a sec. And he got me a beer. Thank you so much. I didn't see your name tag, so sorry about that. But yeah, that was amazing. So I've got some beer to drink on the way home, some LNER, hop on board. This is amazing. We're going to walk down the 225 as well, the Class 91. Have a look at that as well, and then we'll go to the end and see what else is coming in and going out of this station. It's quite a busy station. Things are always coming in and out. You've also got platforms 9 and 10, but I think they are not there, are they? No, I think they're further along. Yeah, so they're outside of this because you've got the main building there. So it's further out, I think. But just up there, nearby, just further along after the tunnel, I think, is the HS1, High Speed 1, CTRL. Anyway, right, that's enough of this clip. Let's go and have a look at what else we can see at London King's Cross. Oh, it is there. Look, there's 9 and 10. So yeah, it's just in there. So there's the Thameslink, or, you know, Great Northern's going. It's going to be Thameslink. I don't know when this video is going out, so it might be before or after that change.
knackered but happy.
So here's something weird for you. Outside frame bogies, inside frame bogies. Same train, as in, you know, the same thing unless they've uncoupled it properly, but inside, outside. Have they like already replaced these or something? Oh, there goes that Lumo that we saw earlier. It's going out already. Wow, that was a quick turnaround. On second thoughts, it might be the driving train. So maybe that's the difference between the inside and the outside. Don't know. Let me know in the comments. Why are there inside bogies and outside bogies? Not from your nose, on the train. Let me know in the comments. I think that's going to do it, guys, for this video. We're having a look at this driving trailer of the 225. Skyfall's the other end. It's 12 minutes past. We've got 20 minutes to queue up and get on our train back to Derby. But no, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more from MegaSim. Hey, look, they've put the snow thing on again. So you see that grill underneath is a really nice picture, and I've forgotten what it is, but they put that on for the snow so it doesn't go in where the horn is. But anyway, subscribe for more videos. Social media links are in the description below, and I will see you on the next video. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's the diagram for the route. This is MegaSim out of here. See you soon, guys. Bye.